Hi everyone! You've seen today's topic, right? Today I'm covering motion graphics. People usually make them in Blender or After Effects. Or you can use After Effects, right? I found a skill that you can add to Claude and use with Higgsfield MCP. It can create motion graphic videos for logos, products, and almost any other item you want to present. That makes it useful for your own channel or client work. Let's see how it works. First, open Claude AI. If you do not have an account, create one. It only takes a moment. Claude is your brain, right? When you make motion graphics, ads, or other product videos, Claude needs a tool that can actually create the visuals. That includes product images, too. So you need an arm for the brain to control, right? That is why Higgsfield MCP exists. Go to higgsfield.ai or click the link in my description to open Higgsfield MCP directly. You can also open Higgsfield.ai. You will find Higgsfield MCP and CLI here. Click it for the installation guide. The setup is simple and supports many different agents. It supports Cursor, OpenClaw, Hermes, and many other agents. In this video, I will use Claude so you can follow the same steps. Choose Claude, then open the MCP instructions. They explain everything in detail. Go to Settings and Connectors to continue. Return to Claude AI and click your profile icon. Then open Settings. Choose Connectors. Click Customize. And you will see the place where a new connector can be added. This is where you connect Claude to an outside tool. Click the plus sign. Choose Add Custom Connector and give it a name such as Higgsfield. Use a clear name so you can recognize the connection later. For the remote MCP server, return to Higgsfield and copy the MCP server link. Then come back to Claude. Paste the link here and click Add. Higgsfield MCP is now connected to Claude. If a pop-up asks you to sign in, use your Higgsfield account. The login only takes a few seconds. After that, grant the permissions. Choose Custom and select Always Accept, which is the first option. This lets Claude use the connection without asking every time. Accept the permissions. Then go to Skills in Claude. Click the plus button and choose Create Skill. After that, the skill will appear in your tools list. Choose Upload a Skill, then drag your skill file into this area. I will put the skill link under the video description. Keep the file nearby so you can find it easily later. You can also comment below, and I will share the skill and the prompts used in this video. I will click Open and upload the file now. My skill is called Motion Design. How do we call it in a new chat? I will return to Claude and create a new chat. Just press the / key on your keyboard. The skill picker will appear, and you can choose the skill from there. If you did not know that, just press /. Here I can choose my Motion Design skill. I will select it, and now the skill is ready to use. I prepared 3 products, a logo, a fashion product, and a food product. I want to see how the same skill handles different types of content. I will test the workflow on all 3 to see what it creates. First, I will make a food video using this product. This is the cake product. I simply ask, make me a motion design video, and press enter. Then it asks which style I want. The choices are fast and energetic like TikTok or smooth and gentle. I want this version to feel a little more energetic. So I will choose option 2. You can also type your own direction here, or choose the third option.
Ok, mình sẽ chọn cái option này.
Next it asks for the aspect ratio. I will choose vertical because vertical content is so popular right now. For the duration, you can choose 5, 10, 15 seconds, or any length you want. I want the longest version, so I will choose 15 seconds. Claude now creates a storyboard for the video. That gives the system more time to plan each shot before rendering. The storyboard shows what the final video should look like. Here you can see frame 1, frame 2, and the sequence continuing through all the panels. It goes all the way to frame 8, giving me a clear visual plan. The layout already looks very good, and the composition is almost ready. Now Claude asks for approval. It will generate the video with Seedance 2.0, So I just copy the approval message and paste it here. I can also type approve and press enter. It will start making the video. Next, I will repeat the motion design workflow with this logo. I send the logo to Claude, press/choose motion design, and give it the same kind of instruction. I ask for a motion design video with this logo and press send. With this workflow, you can create many motion design videos in batches. You can make whole batches on any topic. After a while, all the requested videos are generated. For example, this one is the backpack video. Click here to watch it. The preview is small here, so go back to Higgsfield and open the video section. You will find the complete history of everything you generated. Whether you used Claude or another MCP client, the results are saved in Higgsfield history. I will open the 3 videos I made. The first one is the food product. The sequence looks clean. The package opens, the cracker spins through the frame, and the cheese lands in the center. The movement is energetic, the colors match the brand, and the final product shot is clear. For an automated motion design workflow, this is a strong result. Next is my logo. This is the second video. This logo result is also pretty good. I honestly do not know how much a motion designer would charge to create something like this from scratch. It looks good considering the low cost. It only takes a few tens of thousands of dong. Now, let's check the final video. This one is really impressive. It is a digital product made from connected modules. I did not describe it in detail, but the system still understood it. It recognized what was on the screen. That is the benefit of having a motion design skill. Put the skill into Claude and use Higgsfield MCP to create videos like these. This workflow lets you create many videos in batches. If you want to use Higgsfield AI, visit the site directly and try it yourself. Click the link in my description. If you want any skill, prompt, or topic, leave a comment below. That way I can test the ideas and make future tutorials around them. Remember to comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.